Hi, and welcome to Three Questions with. Got my buddy Adam Risman with us from Risman Insurance. Hi, Adam. How you doing today?
Hey, Kevin, I'm doing well. Thanks for having me.
Glad to have you on the show. So, Adam, we're coming into the end of the year, and to me, that's probably a great time to look at my insurance policies. So, if someone wants you to review their policies, what's the process look like? How do they get that done?
Definitely. Yeah, it's definitely a great time for a lot of business owners. January 1st is a very popular time for their insurance to renew, but it's obviously all over the place. For us, we really want to get away from the transactional side of insurance and really dig deep with the business owners, see what they're looking for, what their business looks like today as opposed to maybe a couple of years ago, and obviously what they want to do in regards to growth mode. So for us, it's about really seeing what risks do they have from a holistic point of view, what are the risks going to look like a year from now, and obviously how do we plan accordingly for that. It's really just a time of change, as we've all seen. We really want to make sure that nothing will derail their process in the growth and that we can protect them if something does happen.
I like that a lot, Adam, because our business evolves over time. And sometimes we forget, like, hey, Adam, did I tell you open the second location? Well, no, you didn't, Kevin. That's kind of important. Or maybe you've taken on employees. You didn't have employees before. Just sometimes, in my experience, we forget about the insurance press. Like, probably should have mentioned that. We offer this new product that has more risk. Hey, we're going out to people's houses now. We never did that before. So
Mhm.
it's good to sit down and just walk through those steps to make you, oh, yeah, by the way, it catches that, right?
Definitely. Absolutely.
So, what type of industries do you find you have the most success with?
So I really tell people that anything in regards to real estate, anyone that might come to your house to help repair something, or any service provider. So for me, it's a lot of contractors. We do a lot on the HVAC side, electrical contractors, landscapers. I really tell people anyone with fleets of vehicles where we can show the most value. I really like to dig deep with the business owners, see what their plans are, how many people are on the road working, on houses, on commercial buildings, and just seeing again what risks they have. It's very crucial for them to be honest and really tell us about all the different services they have, and then put in place plans. For us, aside from again just going through the different policies, putting together driver safety plans, putting together different trainings through carriers that might benefit these employees, not only from the cost perspective on insurance, but also making sure that claims are avoided, the claims are less severe, and that it'll keep costs down not only in their next renewal but over the years. So again, just really targeting fleets of vehicles, anyone that might have kind of that blue collar mentality and wants to take a second look.
So, what are the steps we should take as a business owner as we enter the new year from an insurance standpoint? What do you think?
Yeah, so like I said, I mean, with all the different changes happening with businesses over the last few years, really just assess what's changed over the last year, last few years. Is it covered? And did you talk about that with your insurance, consultant last year? And is it worth talking about again? I always tell people, again, a couple months before renewal is always a great time to look, but just from a holistic perspective, especially in the winter, look 5 years ahead for your business. Think about maybe different services or different offerings you want to provide to your customers, as well as what size do you want to be? Do you want to go from 10 people to 50? And what does that look like? And really just planning ahead and making sure that you're set up for success in the future and that nothing small might derail this process from happening. There's nothing worse than seeing a business owner that might have the wrong coverages in place, and that if a claim does happen and they're coming out of pocket, it could obviously slow growth, but could also put them out of business. So again, just really taking a holistic approach, making sure that we know all the details of the business, both now and in the future, and that we can align the coverages and the plan for those plans.
So, if someone wants to sit down with you and review their insurance, what's the best way to do that?
Yes, you can email me at arisman@risman.com. You can call me at 781-670-7910. And I'm also very active on LinkedIn, so you can find me there as well.
Adam, I appreciate you taking a couple minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thanks a lot, Kevin. Appreciate it.